Hola people, and I'm live. So, before we begin today's show, I will play a little music for you, as I always do. So my favorite. Hi Rahul. People are joining us. We're building up, building up, building up. We have the gorgeous, very, very gorgeous. Hello, says official Gyan Dwivedi. Hi. Today we have. Hello, says Guri Saab. Sheikh Shahid says so beautiful, dear. Thank you. We have a very beautiful guest today. Not only is she a beautiful face, but also a very beautiful soul. She is none other than Priyanka Roy. She needs no introduction. She's been in the industry for long, and she is a divine soul with a divine purpose. And I will read out her bio to you before we begin the show. She would be joining us very, very soon, and she's an amazing, impeccable person. She started her journey in fashion at the age of 16, but at the age of 4 she started learning martial arts. She was a child model at the age of 7, and she became the youngest coach in school for helping other students and teachers to attain meditative states. What a beautiful combination. I love people who have spiritual energy. I am a complete fan of those who have this, the vibe, who take you to the other planes of existence. She's been in movies like Monsoon Wedding and many more. The streak continued by getting good campaigns and advertising too. I think we're also on Facebook. Hi Parag Rana, thank you for joining. Bhavani Singh says, I don't know, but you should write the right spellings. I'm a very grammar Nazi. I cannot read bad spellings. Okay? Thank you for joining, people. You're very sweet and love and warm. This is so dope. Is it? No, dope is something else. Don't dope. It's not good. So we were talking about Priyanka Roy. From the age of 16, her fashion industry growth began with designers like Ritu Kumar, J.J. Valaya, Poonam Bhagat, Niket Mishra. Niket was very close to my heart, and in June he passed away last year. My heart goes out to Niket. He's he's a very dear friend. We'll talk about him in the show also, because I'm just reading about it. She's been with Meera Muzaffar Ali, Preeti Chandra, naming a few, took her for the print shoot campaigns. She's done fashion brands like Lakme, Avon, Anita Dongre, H2O, Nalli Sarees, Spa Salon. Oh my god, I'm a big Nalli Sarees fan. You should see my, love for sarees. She's travelled around Sri Lanka. In Sri Lanka, she did Ashtamangal Jewelers and various known designers all over the country, and she's been a brand model for very famous brands. She's now opened her own first clothing label by the nickname Pia Grace Designer. What a beautiful name, Pia. I think Pia is her nickname also. She did an international creative company named Facecraft. She started co-producing, co-directing covers and inside fashion pages for A-listed publications also. Right now we have 1040 people join. Priyanka's joined. Hi Priyanka, you just have to send a request to be part of the live. And she's been on Vogue, Grazia India, Grazia Italy, Harper's Bazaar, Elle, and for the known designers she has an experience of more than 13 years. Oh my god, what an interesting thing. Priyanka, how do I join you here? Priyanka, I've sent you. You'll have to accept the request. And meanwhile, we have over 769 people. Hi, Priyanka. How are you?
Hello, Namaskaram. How are you?
I'm good. You'll have to be a little louder with your voice. Volume is a little low here.
Can you hear now?
Is it better now? Oh my God, you're so gorgeous, so beautiful. And that's what I told people. Not only is she a beautiful outside, but a beautiful inside soul. And it's such a beautiful thing to be a part of the spiritual journeys. Your eyes speak it all. So I was giving you introduction to the audience. Right now we have over like 600, 700 people who've joined us, and you can also read the comment section there. Tell me more about what's happening, Priyanka. And is your nickname Pia, by the way?
Yeah, my nickname is Pia. First of all, Shruti, thank you so much for having me on your
That's very
live.
sweet of you.
And thanks to all of you for being here and hearing us and taking our time.
That's very sweet. So you are into you started your career as a trained martial artist at the age of 4. Then you started training children. Then you got into training into meditative practices. How did meditation at the age of 7 come into your life?
Okay. It was very fortunate because my father was an ex-cricketer and it was
Oh,
always sports. So
oh,
he wanted me to be a cricketer, but of course from the childhood I had a very, like focused, like a monk I was, very
yeah.
quiet, very
You look
poised,
like one.
very quiet, poised, but very always smiling or in a joyful condition. Always. However, you leave me, you will find me in joyful condition. So I had some kind of movement in my body of a martial artist, and my mother took me to one of the coaches in our school available, and luckily he was from Japan that time, and he was a special coach. You know, the people who come for 2 years
Yeah, yeah.
on contract or 3 years, not for very longer. So I was trained under him, and I do not know what did he notice. So he thought I could be somewhere much more ordinary than the ordinary ones, and
Oh,
I could give some kind of whenever he's not around or his assistants are not around. So he saw that I can really take care of the class very well, and
how
whatever the
good.
homework is given, I will people the all the students of my class would always have certain kind of respect from inside. They will not be
Oh,
scared, but have respect. So they used to
oh,
listen, and it just when you know what, Shruti, when it has to happen, you don't have to try. It just happens. You
I
will
always
not be.
say the path chooses you. You never choose the path. You never choose the
Yeah,
path.
it
It
is, it is,
always.
it is always like this. You have to just go with the flow,
Yeah.
and it will just happen. You will not know in the
You
friction of time. It just happens. It's
you
just
have
so
very
beautiful.
artistic fingers. Are you an artist as well?
Uh, I used to paint.
I
I
could
used
see
to
that.
paint, but then, and
This was not in your profile, but
yeah, I mean, you can say a lot of things by
yeah.
universe. It gave me, fortunately, and I'm using it wisely.
How
If it
nice.
can be used for others, it's good.
Hmm. So Rahul yesterday told me you have to make her sing,
Oh,
and the audience wants to hear you. We will make you sing also. We have right now over 1,000 people who joined us. Would you like to dedicate a beautiful song to them or something you feel like that comes from your soul? You know, you're a very soulful person. So I think anything that you would do is comes from the soul.
okay. That's nice. My brother always praise me just like that, and he's somebody very special in my life who plays the role of father and the brother too. So the closest person in my life is my brother. So of course I'll sing for all of you. Have you heard Reshma ji,
Yeah,
Lambi
of
Judai?
course. Yes, please do that.
बिछड़े अभी तो बस हम कल परसों जीऊंगी मैं कैसे इस हाल में बरसों मौत न आई तेरी क्यों आई हाय लंबी जुदाई 4 दिन दा हाय रब्बा बड़ी लंबी जुदाई लंबी जुदाई.
You have given me goosebumps. I don't know if the camera captures this or not, but
I can.
I have this, that the energy of the music is flowing right now, and I feel like, oh my god, you are terrifically talented, terrifically. My bua joins from New York, and she's saying, "Wow, I forgot to send you this bua. You know, I'm a very lazy person, Pia. You should give me tips on how to prep myself up because I'm like waiting. I'm all over the head. So what do you do it when you're more in your, you know?" So I realize being a part of a spiritual journey is you are balancing between two worlds, right? One is the spiritual world, one is where you're living, and how do you balance it out? Give a tip to people, you know, because a lot of people they look at me and they say, like, you know, you're full of dressing up and all of that, and how can you be spiritual? So there's a very thin line, you know. Spirit is atma. Atma का कोई गहना नहीं होता है. आत्मा का गहना उसका संस्कार होता है. Your behavior, what you're carrying from ages, is what is your, you know, what is basically your composition. So how do you balance out your life?
So you want to know the first one or the second one? Because you said
Both.
I become very lazy sometime and you do
Yeah.
not know how to balance it.
Yeah.
See, we distribute this in two parts. Okay. We need to know few things and we have to be very clear about it. Clear means without judging it and
Yeah.
having a clear. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Actually, the power
Yeah,
tripped
yeah.
and it's gone. So, so I don't know. Just switch off the ACs. Switch off all the
It's
ACs to
okay,
invert.
don't worry.
No. It happens sometimes.
Yeah.
Yeah, very well.
Yeah.
Swear.
So if we come on the first point,
Start the
Shruti,
inverter. Yeah.
uh, we become lazy when we are not doing something wonderful.
Yeah. You're very true. Very, very true.
So you
Very
have to
true.
decide, are you
Actually.
doing something wonderful or like it is.
You know, so
So
the thrill of
if you're doing wonderful, you will
to
never
restart
become
the
lazy
inverter.
again.
I so agree to that, and also to the fact that, you know, despite the thrill in life, yes, that is missing. But I've never been attracted to many things, you know. So I enjoy this state of laziness. I think I've been hooked on to it for a very long time, and that's when I decided that I have to do my own Insta live shows and go ahead with it and all of that. So now coming to the second question, what was it? And you to tell me the balancing out in life.
See, let me tell you something. Balancing comes later. First of all, we all must know one thing. Whatever is happening,
Hmm.
whatever in your life,
Hmm.
when you feel lazy, you feeling lethargic, you feeling terrible, you feeling
Hmm.
depressed, feeling
Hmm.
anything, it's all
Hmm.
happening within you, right? Is it
Yes.
happening outside of you?
No,
So
it's
it is
within.
you.
Yeah.
Yes, it is within. It is in your state. Is it happening in your neighbor's state?
No.
No, right? It is in you. So
Huh.
when it is happening in you, you can decide what you want it to happen.
Very
Like,
true.
do you want the
Very true.
terrible state? Do you want the lazy state? Do you want the very beautiful state? Or do you want
Yeah.
the lotus to blossom all the time?
Yes, I agree to
So,
that.
so when you become conscious from within, that I want
Yes.
to be a lotus all the time,
Yeah.
you do not chase anymore any of the forms.
Yeah.
You do not
And
chase, and
yeah.
simply everything starts coming to you. And you're
Yeah.
always alert about it. You're
Yeah.
conscious. You just don't say, people say, my mood is not good. I started doing this and that. So for sure, the neighbor did not do, that person only did, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
the whole control is within you.
Yeah.
So if you're alert and conscious, consciousness
Yeah.
is not like people, they have very big words like third eye is going to open, some big thing will happen, and I will be holding Trishul in my hand or something very major. I am not going to hold that. Consciousness is about you're all the time alert. What
Yeah.
is within happening? That's what is outside happening.
True.
So the thing is very simple. However, they explain it in many of the books, big
Hmm.
books, many of the scriptures, Upanishad, Veda, everywhere. So big, big words. That's why people do not understand. It is so simple. More you become simple, more you will understand that there is nothing. It is just so simple to manage any kind of state. You just have to decide one thing.
Yeah.
You should be in the state of joy, whether the sad is attacking, whether the anger is attacking, whether the pain is attacking, whether you do not like anymore yourself.
Yeah.
So you should be very joyful about it.
Yeah.
It is that simple. When you are joyful, then you are in the state again like this, that now this is me.
Hmm.
And you don't need
Hmm.
to tell other person, how terrible I am.
Hmm.
You need to accept that. You need to
True.
accept that fact. Once you
True.
accept,
True.
you will know this part also slowly. Do I become a
Hmm.
terrible or do I become a lotus?
Yeah. That's pretty much about it, more or less about it. Tell me more about your journey into fashion. How did you get into fashion? All right.
I was always like, it is still beautiful, and I
Hmm.
think I've been very fortunate to be part of some good campaigns, and people have given me so much of love. It is
And
just,
I just read when I was reading your profile. I was a good friend to Niket Mishra, and I've done. He was a very, very dear friend who passed away last year. So I was just wondering, it's a very common contact, and we've been connected on Facebook for to today. This your name on Facebook is different. What we are here. Yeah. So yeah, I was very surprised.
my brother just told me that we are connected on Facebook from where you
Oh.
told I think something like that, and I paid attention while tagging to your
Ha, ha,
post.
ha, ha, ha,
I was like,
ha.
okay, she's my friend on Facebook. How did this happen? And uh,
I
then I
was
was
surprised.
trying to remember you. I'm sorry, come again.
Like that.
I'm sorry, come again.
I'm saying maybe must have met at some fashion.
I missed your Shruti, I missed your question. Shruti, are you there? Yeah, I can hear you now. In between, it was not. In between,
Came and went.
it was
The phone started searching the Wi-Fi, so I just switch off the Wi-Fi before it started. So I
your
was
voice
asking,
is not in the continuity.
is it better now?
आपकी
Is it?
आवाज कट रही है श्रुति जी.
हाँ, अभी ठीक
आप
है.
कट रही है.
Okay, give me a second. I'll log out and log in. Give me a second.
Yes.
Give me a second. I'll do that.
Okay, okay, sure.
प्रशु देखना एमसीपी ट्रिप हो गया है कि क्या हुआ है यहाँ पीछे देखो सारे पॉइंट्स तो नहीं गिरे हुए हैं इसी के पीछे connecting people. I'm sorry. Is it better now? Better? Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Thank you. Happens sometimes. I'm very sorry, technology and all of this and sitting at home.
It happens with all of us.
Yeah. Thank you for understanding. So, how did your entry into the fashion world? In that career, that aspect happened.
I guess you are asking me how did I enter in fashion world, right?
Yes.
Okay. I had gone to meet a very known designer, J.J. Valaya, and he asked me, would you do a campaign? So I said, okay, I'll do it. He said, I'll not be paying you much, but you'll get you will realize what campaign it is. So when I reached, I saw Gul coming in, and I was very young that time. Gul had already done movies, and she was our Miss India. And there was one of them, one more model. I didn't know her, so I was like, I was very surprised. Though I had a background of, everybody is a celebrity at home. My brother, my uncle, everybody is someone known. But for me, I had decided in the beginning only that jo bhi karna hai, whatever I have to do, and we all had decided, because when you come from the family background where everybody is someone, it is more difficult for you because people choose you in the last. So I decided I will be going by myself to meet, and if it happens, then it will happen. So I went and he said, do you come on shoot? We'll shoot. That was the first campaign in which, in those days, I got only 8,000 rupees. So, yeah. And for me, it was a big amount because, first of all, he gave me an opportunity, and I was with Gul in the main cover, and being a totally newcomer, a very young girl who is from this background, but on the other side, she is very poised and very, less talking or very balanced in everything. So you cannot imagine yourself in the glamour because you are glamorous, but to be glamorous, you have to be something more. Like you have to be very, very active in the sense extra active all the time in networking. And I was never in networking. I'm still not in networking. I have friends who are still there from childhood. The same friends. People come to me and they stay for long. They never leave. I also never leave.
How lovely
is like that.
Is the vision clear now? Can you see me clearly now? And can you hear me clearly now?
Your vision is blurred, but I can hear you somehow. Okay. So I am guessing whatever you are asking.
Okay. I'm just working on the Wi-Fi also because now we have the power back.
Don't worry.
Am I there? Can you hear me? waiting to see who all are there. Is it stuck? Okay. No, I'm seeing. Are you there? Hi. Priyanka, Roy, and it's been like 2 rounds of disconnection, and I'm very, very apologetic for it. So sorry, but it's the first time in Delhi. I think the weather is changing and it's very cloudy and it's about to rain here. Thank God to small mercies, otherwise the migrant workers would have suffered so much. So you also have upcoming projects at the moment. What are they about? What do you want to tell us about them?
So my first film is coming. Though I have done in childhood few movies. Some of the names you
Congratulations
know.
and lots of
Monsoon
good
Wedding.
luck. Yeah, yeah, Monsoon Wedding, I think I remember.
So I was in Monsoon Wedding, but I did not have any particular role. So the director Meera Nair had requested somebody, the kids are dancing. So I am also dancing somewhere. It is like that. So after doing Monsoon Wedding, हमारा दिल आपके पास है, बस इतना सा ख्वाब है, some more movies and some foreign movies too. So I visited my brother Rahul at the shoot of Night and Fog, and I
Okay.
didn't know. I had just gone to meet him
My
and
sister
give
says a hi to you. My sister's just joined. Just say hello to her, otherwise she'll shoot me later. You know.
hi, namaskar.
Huh.
So I went to meet my brother Rahul,
Mm.
and I'd taken lunch. So the director was there and he didn't say anything. After 3 days, he gave call to my brother. He said, "वो जो लड़की आई थी set पे, वो
Huh.
करेगी क्या?" Actually, he was looking for one of the main protagonists, female protagonist, who
Okay.
is playing the generalist in the film.
Yeah.
She is the narrator of the whole film.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah, so he couldn't find anybody so strong. So he
Huh.
offered my brother, वो लड़की करेगी क्या? So my brother said, वो लड़की मेरी sister है.
Ah.
Because
But
I
just
just
for
went and I was,
clarity, are you like cousins or you're like real brothers and sisters? Like,
see, we live in one home and
oh,
my
is he around?
father,
Say hi.
my father and his father are brothers.
Oh,
But
lovely.
fortunately, he's been my father because I've
Oh,
been
how
living
nice.
with him from quite very long instead
Okay.
of with my parents. My
Oh,
father is,
lovely.
he just passed away
I'm so
last year.
sorry. I'm so sorry.
No problem. So at this, like the whole journey of life, this he hasn't played only the role of brother. He's actually played the role of father.
How
So
nice
he's
is
always,
that?
yeah. So he calls me bacha always. It's
Huh?
not because of anything else. It's because the kind of relationship we both share. It's
How nice.
almost like it's much more than everything. It
How
has no
beautiful. I
expression.
think, I think it's more like I've always felt, soul journeys or being together at a time when your soul needs someone. I believe more than blood families, soul families matter. And sometimes God surrounds you more with people of the same soul family than blood family. That's what
See,
my
I
belief
would,
is.
I do not know about souls or anything like that because let's not put labels, very
Yeah.
big label. The moment we put label, no, everything just gets down under the baggage.
You're
Okay.
leaving it open, leaving it to more
No,
awareness.
you just do not put anything. You just accept it the way it is. Anything in
How
life,
beautiful.
whatever comes, the pin is a pin. And now if I put this is this, it is going to get lost.
True,
It is
true,
it is pin, and let's
true,
accept this is pin, and
true.
I'll put it here. That's it. It
That's
is
it.
that much. So he because he's already a blood, so he
Huh.
acted much more than a blood.
How nice is that?
Yeah,
Uh,
so that's all. And when I went to the set to meet the director, he has made few films. He had made a film called Ada, and with
huh,
a film with Akbar Khan and Aisha Julka, even with Bhaiya, some
huh.
film called Ada the Life. So he said, actually, I'm looking for the Kirdar is about, she looks very, global and Iranian and all that he had in the mind. A
Hmm.
very classic face. तुम
Hmm.
fit बैठते हो लेकिन script is very big. So I looked at him, I said, how big? He said it is 45 pages. So I was like, because the first film in which I am playing one of the protagonists, if you
Hmm.
give 45 pages, I thought now nature has given me some kind of award because normally what happens, we are used as a glamour quotient, and if you have a glamorous face, people normally would like to see in a short bikini, short some kind
Yeah,
of thing, and I will be dancing near the hero, and I'm gone. People
finally
will
this.
be yeah, so
Finally
I
this.
thought, how did this happen? For a moment, I was not shocked. For a moment, I was thinking, is it, is he really saying 45 pages or something I am hearing wrong? I said, sir, 45 pages. He said, ha ha, kiya hai kabhi. So I said, nahi sir, I haven't done. So he said, kar logi na? It's in
Huh,
English. So I
huh,
was like, oh, okay, lovely. So he said,
huh.
we'll be dubbing it in French and in Hindi too.
Oh, how
So
lovely.
very yeah. So I got to know it is a beautiful film. It's a film within a film,
Yeah.
and it is inspired by Jean-Luc Godard, Federico Fellini, 10 great filmmakers of world. Okay, history.
Lovely. Lovely.
So, you know what used to happen, Shruti? Now we go to theater, we pay 100 rupees or 200, how much ever the ticket is for. And within a second, we decide in the mind, oh shit, what did we just watch? Can we go? It's like this, right? But there is a story behind the story of the director or the producer. People put their houses, jewelry,
True.
their
Very true.
wife's jewelry,
True.
everything to make
Totally,
a film.
totally. Totally, I so agree. And the technicians, the hard work, I've been on TV
Yes.
guys, like
And
just
some of the filmmakers, if
uh,
you know, they totally get away from their family for 18 years, stay in the separate house. All the time they're writing and making that content so the content can come out well. You
it
know,
doesn't
something.
happen. A film doesn't happen overnight. It's not an overnight journey.
So this content is all about a biopic of a director who lost in this spiritual journey. This is a spiritual journey when you are giving everything, you're devoting your day and night, and you are on your one breath. So you are just gone without having anything that whether it is going to make it or not, right?
True,
So it's a
true,
spiritual journey.
true,
So
true,
this person, this is a biopic about a director who lost everything in this,
true.
and my brother is the director who is playing in it.
Oh, lovely.
He's the lead protagonist, and I'm playing the one of the female protagonists who is the
How
narrator of
lovely.
the film. There
Brilliant.
is this is the first film, Night and Fog. And the second film is called Minus, which we
Hmm.
were supposed to shoot this year, uh,
हो
just
जाएगा.
because of, yeah, COVID-19. Now it will be doing whenever they will inform us. And the third film is between daughter and father, a beautiful story, beautiful
हाँ.
story. And some more things are there, which is slightly quite big. So when something is big happening, you have to just act nothing is happening.
Yeah.
So I will not announce anything right now
True.
about it,
I understand.
but I can surely promise it is a film for which people have waited for very long, and
Oh,
we are remaking it.
I'm
So it will,
guessing it. I'm guessing it, and I'm not speaking it.
yes.
I
So it will be one of the wonderful films.
I
Let
so
it let
yeah,
it just happen. Let's not guess.
yeah. Okay. Let it be. I hope because because you know a lot of work has paused because of
You
Corona. A lot
just heard
of reasons.
it, and it just went.
हाँ हाँ नहीं poof. And you know my laziness, I don't even store anything here. By the time I'm done and you'll ask me like an hour later, I'm blank. I'm in a complete state of blank. I've loved living in blank. Actually, I'm addicted to living in blank. You know,
That's
that's how
lovely. You are in the empty state all the time.
I'm mostly in an empty state. That's why when people come crying or anything, I'm a healer also. I'm a meditator. I conduct all these classes. When somebody comes to me, I'll help them out. They feel helped, I'm happy. मतलब मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है. Other than that, of course, I have a couple of TV shows as well, which at the moment have paused because of this corona. Because you know, I live in Delhi. You've come to Delhi, have you?
I was born in Delhi.
Ah, so Delhi
I
is
was
not. Noida, Jana is the barriers, you know, DND, everything is closed. So a lot of my audience asks, why are you not on TV every day? Because the camera call, just right now you witnessed a power outbreak. If it happens in a regular TV show, we are gone. We are screwed. TV does
so
not allow
you
all
live
this.
in Noida?
No, no, no. I live in Delhi. I live in Chitranjan Park, GK2 area.
Oh,
I don't,
okay.
you've been there, Emma?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. We were just there before the lockdown, I and my brother.
Oh God, I should have contacted then.
We have an office in nearby in Kalkaji.
Okay, Kalkaj is very close by. Kalkaj is just across the road. CR Park
We
से.
have just in Chitranjan Park,
Yeah,
Kalkaji, where the
I
Durga
live in
Puja happens.
yeah. You've come here for Durga Puja ever?
Uh, in childhood, it used to be much more,
Yeah.
but
Now
I
it's
think
very crowded.
no, I'm all the time. Durga Puja happens when you become yourself puja, so you don't need to go externally and do anything. It is
I
all the time.
I hardly go out to the pandals and all. I'm not a very like I don't like rush and all. You know, I like to be at calms.
I
मेरे
like to go sometimes to see that Dhunuchi Aarti, which they
हाँ,
do with the Nariyal thing, and so
beautiful
much of
it is. This year I'm going to practice and do it for sure. Thank you. I'll just put it down. I'll write it down after this for my to-do list. I am more of a beach person. I can sit across the beach and look at the water for an entire day or maybe weeks or maybe months and keep staring at the water. So I am more of that.
you
So
are a mermaid.
thank you.
You are a mermaid. That's why
Am
you
I?
like water.
I love water. I love how I half dip in pool and I keep standing at like a shore imagining and my friends just laugh at me. You're so lazy, you don't even swim. So
Good, good, good.
okay, so before we end this, I'll have a little rapid fire with you like I always do. So after the lockdown, which is the first place you plan to go after travel? What is the first place of travel you plan to go to? After everything is clear, obviously sorted.
Okay, if anything is under control, I would not say better or something like that. I think I would like to go to Bhutan, Sikkim,
Okay.
and Tibet. Any of any one place, if I get, I will just go.
Okay. What is that one prayer you love to do before you sleep or you wake up or whenever you feel like? What is that one favorite prayer of yours? That's out of my diary. That's nowhere written here, but I don't know why it's coming. You want to share with your audience who would like to hear?
Uh, if you know, see, I do not have any favorites because once you are on spiritual path, you have nothing favorite anymore. Okay, everything is same. But of course, there is this prayer we all should do. If you know Shivoham, Shivoham. So this is about before the zero happened. So that is you should hear it, Shivoham, and that is beautiful. And Mahamrityunjay Jap.
Yeah, Mahamrityunjay, of course. I like Shiv Tandav as well. So, your favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
Okay. I think I like Kill Bill.
You would so look nice in Kill Bill dress, you know, I can imagine. With a gun.
And the minus is something like that only.
Oh, okay. What's your favorite? Who's your favorite actor, director, apart from your brother?
There are a few, not one. There are some of them who have really done very good job. I really like Antonio Banderas.
Oh, yes.
I liked Hugh Jackman, the Wolverine. So these people have really done great job, and it just looks like they are not acting.
Okay.
I
Is there
like it.
any advice you would like to give to people who will watch this interview? Any piece of advice who are aspiring models or who are aspiring actors? Is there any piece of advice you would like to give to them?
I would say in this way that whatever you are, whether model, actor, singer, astrologer, anybody,
Hmm.
even just who doesn't want to be anything, even. Just let not the thing come on your head and dance.
True.
And let it just happen. If you let the thing dance on your head, it will dance all your life on your head.
Right.
So it will take the control of yours and you will be one day lost in the game. So if
Yeah.
you want to play the chess, play it in the right way.
True. Beautiful. Thank you so much for joining us today, Priyanka. It was such a delight. Namaskar. And I wish you lots of
Karan Shruti, thank you so much for
lots
having
of
me.
happiness. Thank you. Take
Lots
care.
of love, stay peaceful, and
Thank
don't be lazy next time now.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Now you have the answer.
Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye. Bye.
Bye
Bye.
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 It was great interacting with Priyanka Roy, such a beautiful, divine energy, and a beautiful actress, and what a lovely person. And yours, lazily, will come back to you very soon with somebody very, very special. Hang on there. Let me know who you want to have on the show. Thank you so much, and have a great, great evening, people. Love you. The video will be out on Instagram and YouTube as well. Facebook too.